Hi. Let's look at the assessment content type. So with Outgrow, you can now create some score-based created quizzes where you can give a score to your users based on the number of right responses. So let's try creating one on the dashboard. You can choose the assessment content type with, will then take you to the layout selection page. These layouts will only define the basic look and feed of your content. And of course, you can customize this to match your own branding guidelines for now. I'm going to go with this first one here. So after you've selected the layout, you'll be taken to the actual Outgrow builder where you can start adding all of your content. You'll see on the left-hand side where we have all these different sections like the welcome screen, the questions, lead generation form, and finally the results screen. To make any changes, you just have to click this section that you want to edit. So let's say you want to make changes to the welcome screen. I can click the welcome screen here, and then I can type in my content. You'll see all these changes here in real time. You can have your own subheading. The button text can be changed, and you can also add some media on the welcome screen, like an image or a video. So once you're done with welcome screen, this is where we can have all of our questions. Now, depending on the kind of information you want from your client, you can choose from any of these question types, but we usually use single select or multi-select for assessments. So let's say you want to do a single selection, all right? So just change the question type here, and then you can add all of the options here. Now with assessment, you'd have the option to specify which of these options is correct and which is not. So let's say false is the right answer and these two are the wrong answers. So I can specify it here. And if I scroll down, we have the option to reveal the real-time results. Like if someone selects true, they'll be shown that this was not the right answer. We also have the option to show some real-time feedback based on their responses. So like if they choose the right answer, I can show them a specific message. And if they choose the wrong answer, I can show them a completely different message. This can also be shown as a pop-up. So that's how you can show some real-time feedback based on their responses. Now, once you've added all the questions, we have an optional lead generation form, which can be disabled, or you can also change the position of this lead generation form. On this lead gen form, you can add any custom field. So let's say you also want to ask for their phone number. So you can simply just add a field here. Now, once they fill out the lead generation form, they will be taken to the final results screen where we can show them their final score. So you can have your own heading here. You can add your own description, of course, your own media, like an image or video, and call to action button so you can redirect your users from the results page if you want. And that you can specify the URL right here. Now, if I go to page setting and scroll down, you'll have the option to show the answer key so that they can see how they replied to all the questions. Once you're done with the creation part, you simply just have to go to the Go Live button to publish your assessment, which can then be embedded wherever you want, or it can also be used as a standalone page. So that's really how you can build assessments with Outgrow. Let us know if you have any questions. Sign up for a free 7-day Outgrow trial today.